on the moment, to be honest with you. My girlfriend recently done me. She's like, Jimmy, you need to grow up. I said, get the fuck out of my treehouse. Actually got a little boy for that, actually a little boy. We were so drunk when we named him. We were blinded. So the official name of his birth certificate is Barry with 3 exclamation marks on the end. Technically his name is pronounced Barry! Which he's not too keen on. I said, oh, it's only fair, if he has a brother, I'll call him something similar. I'll call him Dave question mark. Then I've got 2 boys. Barry! Dave? You know, kids need to learn the harsh realities of life at an early age. I think like kids' TV needs to be prettier, more true to life. But just for once, maybe someone should step out in front of Thomas the Tank Engine. Just for once, maybe Fireman Sam should get there too late. I want to see Knight Rider go dogging. I want to see Postman Pat hit by the recession. Forced to get a second job. It's porn star Pat. My family's pet sausage dog died recently as well. Mr. Miyagi. Don't worry, I'm not that bothered. We didn't really see eye to eye. He actually bit my thumbnail off during an altercation once. He sat in my lap eating a cheese sandwich. And without realising, my hand brushed against his testicles. He promptly attacked me. I was pretty pissed off at the time. But when I thought about it, if I was eating a cheese sandwich, someone touched my testicles, I'd buy them too. He's dead now. My nemesis is no more. But it took ages to flush him down the toilet. What was I thinking to flush Grandma though? I used to be a lifeguard in Brighton Beach as well, which is tough because it's not a sandy beach, is it? It's rocks. So I had to kind of tiptoe down to the rescue. Across like broken glass, dog poo and heroin needles. By the time I got down to the water, it was too late. And I couldn't just dive straight in either, because it was freezing. I had to get the other lifeguard to splash me a bit first. Get me used to the conditions. But I got sacked eventually. Turns out you are meant to save the ginger ones as well. Christmas wasn't that exciting with my family. I deposited £20 into my sister's bank account. My sister deposited £20 into my account. We deposited £20 into my mum's account. She deposited £20 into our account. Christmas Day, we just printed off our bank statements. Confirm the transactions. Happy Christmas. I tried speed dating as well. That didn't go too well. I got 4 slaps around the face, 3 glasses of wine over my head, and I got arrested. That was just the first woman. I did still have sex that night though. Yeah, the guy I shared a cell with, he overpowered me. So I knew I was in trouble pretty early on. They showed me to my cell, and I said to my cellmate, I said, is the top bed my one? He said, no, that's the spare bed. So I'm actually from Brixton, just down the road. Not the nicest area. So my grandma, she's lived in Brixton all life. She's pretty streetwise. But the other day she said, Jimmy, I've just seen 3 youths selling drugs outside Sainsbury's. I said, don't worry, Grandma, it's all right. I'll call the police. They'll deal with it. She said, shut your face, bitch, this is my patch. Count the motherfuckers. So my mum didn't want to send me to school in South London though. She said there's too many Jamaican kids. She's not racist, just a bit worried about sports day. The worst thing about school for me though was the exams, the school exams. And I was remember the story of that kid. And halfway through his GCSE exams, stuck 2 pencils up his nose and headbutted his desk. Horrible, horrible story. But every time I hear that story, I can't help but think of the kid on the desk next to him. His first thought must have been, fuck me, what question's he on? Thank you very much.